prepare for you cheese, a special kind of cheese with the goat milk. So everybody can eat with this cheese from the goat milk, because my little son is allergic to cow's milk, but can drink the goat milk without any troubles. So you can find in your table.
A che tipo di olio?
Sunflower seeds oil. Okay, so you must wet your hands, then you must take the rice, you must wash, yes, like in Japan.
Yeah.
Then we need a very thin wall, because when you eat, we don't want to eat only the rice without stuffing inside. So we need a very thin wall. Then you must use your hand like a spoon. So you take in this way, and you can start to put the ragu inside, a little piece of cheese, and then you wet again your hands, and you must close. Here in this area of Catania, we use to make the rice balls with the point like Etna mountain. So we need to make in this way. This is very good, because then when we fry it, we have this part very, very crunchy, and it's delicious. Then we must put around the arancina, the arancini, because here they call it the arancini, the eggs, and then we must put the breadcrumbs on the top.
No.
In this way.
È un piccolo albero di Natale.
No, it's like a little Etna mountain. And then we must fry. So when we fry, depending on the size, we must leave to fry for 4 or 5 minutes. And then when change it, the color and begin orange, is just ready and you can eat. You can preserve in your refrigerator in this way, and then you can fry when you need. Or you can fry, and then when you want to use again, you must fry again. So outside begin again very crunchy, because in Sicily we fry everything, and we love that the fried food is crunchy outside and soft inside. So now you can come back in your table and you can start to enjoy with me. And when you have the arancini just ready, you can come here and I fry for you. So I show you the method.